The calculator also provides functionality to do an inverse normal. It's under the distributions menu again, so second and vars, and it should be the third option down for inverse norm. It can take one input or it can take up to 3 inputs. If you just give it one, it'll take a probability and find a z-score associated with that probability. So similar to the first example in the textbook, inverse norm of 0.66 results in a z-score of 0.4125. If you give it 3 inputs, then your last input needs to be the mean and the standard deviation of the distribution. The mean and the standard deviation that are provided in example 5 are 1,140 and 210. So to calculate the probability that was there, we had a cumulative probability of 95%, so 0.95. Then the mean was 1140, and the standard deviation was 210. If you input those 3 values separated by commas, you'll come up with the value that was found in the textbook. And what it's doing is taking your z-score and then converting it to something relative to your mean and standard deviation that you provided. The one thing to make sure of whenever you're using inverse norm is that the probability given is an area to the left.